Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn 25 words that are helpful when you are going to a Christmas market in Austria. We cover the various names for Christmas markets, delicious food as well as drinks, and interesting presents. After having watched this video, you know the meaning of words like Christkindlmarkt, Beerenpunsch, or Baumbehang. If you come across a term I don't mention, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn 25 words that are helpful when you are going to a Christmas market in Austria. First of all, we start with Weihnachtsmarkt. Weihnachtsmarkt. Weihnachtsmarkt is the word for Christmas market in Standard German and in Austrian German. Weihnachtsmarkt. Number 2. Christkindlmarkt. Christkindlmarkt. Christkindlmarkt is the Austrian word for Christmas market. Christkindlmarkt. 3. Punsch. Punsch. Punsch means punch. It's a drink with tea, rum and spices. Punsch. Number 4. Beerenpunsch. Beerenpunsch. That's berry punch. So a punch with berries. Beerenpunsch. Number 5. Orangenpunsch. Orangenpunsch. And Orangenpunsch is orange punch. Number 6. Kinderpunsch. Kinderpunsch. Kinderpunsch means children's punch, and it's a punch without alcohol. Kinderpunsch. Number 7. Glühwein. Glühwein. Glühwein means mulled wine. Glühwein. Number 8. Glühmost. Glühmost. Glühmost is actually the same as Glühwein, but instead of wine, cider is used. So if you like apple, that's the right choice. Glühmost. Word number 9. Hefe. Hefe. Hefe can be translated as mug. Hefe. That's a typical Austrian word. Number 10. Einsatz. Einsatz. Or you can also say Hefeleinsatz. This means it's the returnable deposit. So you bring back your mug, the Hefe, and you get some money for it. Hefeleinsatz. Now let's take a look at some types of food you get at Christmas markets. Number 11. Bratwürstel mit Sauerkraut. Bratwürstel mit Sauerkraut. That are frying sausages with sauerkraut. It's a very popular food at Christmas markets. The same goes for our number 12, Posner. Posner. Posner is a special hot dog with onions and curry. Posner. Number 13, Lebkuchen. Lebkuchen. Lebkuchen is the word for gingerbread in German. Lebkuchen. Number 14. Zuckerwatte. Zuckerwatte. Any idea what this could mean? Zuckerwatte is cotton candy. Zuckerwatte. Number 15. Bratapfel. Bratapfel. Bratapfel is the term for baked apple. Bratapfel. Number 16. Schaumrolle. Schaumrolle. This is very common in Austria. Schaumrollen are a kind of cream puffed pastry. Number 17. Krapfen. Krapfen. Krapfen is the word for donuts. Krapfen. Number 18. Gebrannte Nüsse. Gebrannte Nüsse. Gebrannte Nüsse can be translated as roasted nuts. There are various types of nuts like almonds, hazelnuts, and so on. Gebrannte Nüsse. Now let's take a look at some decorations and other things you can get at the Christmas market. Number 19. Kerzen. Kerzen. Kerzen are candles. Kerzen. Number 20. Baumbehang. Baumbehang. And Baumbehang means tree decorations. Baumbehang. Number 21. Christbaumkugeln. Christbaumkugeln. Christbaumkugeln can be translated as Christmas glitter balls. Christbaumkugeln. Number 22. Krippenfiguren. Krippenfiguren. Krippenfiguren are nativity figures. They're placed in the crib. Number 23. Schneekugeln. Schneekugeln. Schneekugeln mean snow globes. Schneekugeln. Number 24. Stand, or as Austrians like to say, Standl. Standl. Standl means stand. So this is where you can buy the various things. For example, at the Punschstandl you get a punch, or at a Bratwürstelstand you get the sausages. Standl. And finally, number 25, I would say Prost. Prost. And Prost means cheers. Cheers. I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic Christmas markets in Austria, and you can use some words when you visit one. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.